short video I would like to share with you how I fixed the broken exhaust pipe on my pickup truck with this stick welder. All settings, tools, there in this video. Keep watching and let's get started. First, I went to disconnect a negative battery terminal to protect the sensitive electronics. Okay, guys, if you're first time to the channel, please subscribe, very appreciated that. And we're going to weld the tailpipe which broke from the muffler. I have a piece of plywood underneath for my comfort, and let's go underneath and check what's happened. Okay, as you can see, it broke right at the muffler, and yeah, it's still fixable. I'm going to fix it. I don't want to buy a new one. This one's still fine. Let's just lift the muffler up because you could see it was sagging down. Let's level everything how it's supposed to be. Okay, let's make the muffler and tailpipe fit best as we can. As you can see, it's separated and got pulled slightly back, and there's a crack around. Needs to go a little bit up and in. Okay, I think that's pretty good enough. Now we're going to clean the surface a little bit with a wire brush, and always safety goggles when you're working with the tools. Okay, we'll take some rust off. Now we'll bend those edges in, make sure they fit flush with the tailpipe. Of course, best as we can, guys. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comments section below and put your thumbs up. Okay, as you can see, it's pretty good for welding. Now all preps are done. Let's connect our ground. I'm going to clean the rust at the end of the tailpipe to connect my ground, and I'm going to weld stick positive. You can switch polarity, but I decided just go in most convenient way. That's fine. I'm going to fire it up my welder, let it warm up for a bit before we'll start welding, and I'm going to set my amperage to 70 amps. I will start with that. As you can see, I'm at 70, 65, something like that. I'm going to use E6013 covered electrodes, which is 2.5 millimeters, 332 an inch, and I'm going to weld in cover the joint with the tacks. As you can see, something like that. You don't want to weld the straight bead because you will overheat and burn the hole. You just tack it, let it cool down, tack it, let it cool down, and overlap a bit your previous tack, and that way it's pretty simple. Yeah, let's get started and see. I tack it, let it cool down, tack it, let it cool down, and we'll go all the way around and weld it. Yeah, because we're welding exhaust pipe and it's 2.5 millimeters, everything was thinner than 3.2, considered a thin metal, and it looks like that. I will tell you, it has been a while since I welded. No issues, it's rock solid, no leaks, all good. And I'm going to finish the rest of the pipe. And yeah, if you have any questions, comments, critics, suggestions, put them down in the comment section below, and I also will put more specs and information down in the description under this video. And it looks like this. This welding won't win a beauty competition, but it's all penetrated, it's all solid, and it will get job done. Alright, I'm happy with it, and I saved some money. I don't need to buy a muffler, tailpipe, and if this muffler and tailpipe will last me another few years, I'm absolutely happy with my repair. And thank you so much, guys, for your time watching this video, and yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.